Hi, this is Michael Brewer with California Gold and Silver Exchange. Today I have an open monster box. We're gonna open up the monster box. It's a Canadian Silver Maple Leafs. It's a 2022 edition. As you can see, it comes with two straps that are sealed and straps it up. Comes in this plastic container. And on the front here, it has a label which shows what it is, Silver Maple Leaves, the gross weight, and what quantity and what products inside here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We do have these available. Inside is gonna be 20 tubes of 25 in each tube. Okay, let's open that. Okay, and as you can see, this is how it comes, all sealed like that, never been touched by human hands. Let's kind of show you what they look like. This one has the Queen on it, Silver Maple Leaf 2022, and on the back it has the Canadian Maple Leaf. I'm sorry to end this video short, but I gotta get the phone call. We're at work, so if you guys are interested, give us a call or let us know.